What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another amazing episode on Quality Content Rick's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about how long $1 million will last you in retirement. Who knows how long it's going to last? Let's go over a few numbers. How we even get to $1 million. Let's assume you want to retire at 62. How long will a million last you from 62? How long are you going to live? We don't know how long you're going to live, but let's just go over some data. Let's go for another 25 years. I put you at 87. That's a pretty good amount of time. Guys, consider giving me a thumbs up, please. We sure do appreciate it over here on the Quality Content Rig channel. All right, guys, continue watching the video. I'm 62. Let me fix this camera here. Go over some data. Check some things out. All right, let's say 25, say you're 35, 37 years old, right? 35 plus 25 is 60. So let's say you're 37, right? You want to invest $1,000 a month into your account. You're getting, let's be conservative and say 8% interest, $1,000 monthly, 8%, 25 years. See how much you're going to have. Not that. What is going on here? Oh, initial investment. Deposit $1,000 a month. Perfect. You'll have 958,000 after 25 years. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more so we can get that. No, we're doing 35 years old to 62 years old. That's 27 years. Let's look at that. Perfect. You have 1 million. That's a little bit more than we thought. But once you get to a million, let's say it'll take you 26 years. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that perfect number, guys. Let's say do $1,000 a month, getting 8% interest, 26 years. That's if you start at 35. You're gonna retire at 60, 61, 62 time frame. Let's see. So now you got that much money. That's how long it's going to take to get there. That's how much you're going to have there once you're there. Once you're here. So let's see how much you can withdraw per month and how much you need, how much you're going to withdraw. You're probably not going to get, once you retire, you're going to change your investments over. You might only get 5 or 6%. So now you're at 1,050,000. Let's go here to, let's make this $1,050,360. You want to withdraw, let's say $2,000 a month. Will you be able to withdraw $2,000 a month, guys? Withdrawing $2,000 a month after 26 years, you're going to have a lot of money because you're still getting 8% interest. Let's change this interest rate down to 5%. How long will it last you? You're still going to have positive amount, but $2,000 a month, only $24,000 a year. Can you live on $24,000 a year? Probably not. Let's take this up to $4,000 a month. See how long you get. Let's say that's 26 years. Let's say you're 61. That takes you up to 87, 88 years old. After that, you're going to have 1.29 million. That's if you start with a million, 5% interest rate for 26 years. You withdraw 4,000 a month. You'll have more money when you die if you're getting 5% interest. Let's see. Let's take it up to $5,000 a month. How long, if you withdraw $5,000 a month, go here to calculate it. You have $652,000 left if you're getting 5% interest on your money. That's for 26 years. You might not live to be 86, 87, 88 years old. You might die at 75. So let's say nobody in your family lived above 75 years old. You're 62. Let's give you 13 years. Let's go for 13 years. You'll still have 900,000. So you're not gonna hoard all that money. Let's say you want to take $6,000 a month. If you know you're probably not gonna make it past the age of 75, you'll still have $694,000 left. 5% interest on the 1,050,000. 13 years, 6,000 a month. Okay. Well, you want to spend a little bit more. You want to live out, go on vacation, do some nice things. Let's do $7,000 a month withdrawal rate. Whoa, withdrawing pretty good. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with $7,000 a month when you're 72 years old? Are you gonna be up and mobile, going, getting on airplanes, flying around places, checking stuff out? I don't know if you are or not. So let's say, what are you gonna do? You're gonna hang out at the house. Maybe you put that money to getting your pool fixed up so you can hang out by your pool. I don't know. Let's uh let's do 8,000. See how long that's gonna last you at $8,000. See if you're gonna live to be mid 80s. Whoa, you're cutting it down a lot right there. Cutting a lot of money out. Not leaving any money for your kids. No money for the kids. Okay. But everyone in your family lives to be 90. So you're saying 62 years old, you got another 28 years left. You want $8,000 a month. Whoa, not gonna cut it. Not gonna cut it. You can't take $8,000 a month out if you only have a million and you think you're gonna be 90 years old. We got one or two options. We can take it up to $2 million. We can save up to 2 million. If you know you're gonna be old, you should save up more money. If you know you're gonna retire at 62, but everybody in your family lives to be 90, you should probably save up a little bit more money. Let's see if you want to save, if you're capable of saving $2 million. $2 million. Can you do? Ooh, you can. If you have 2 million at retirement, 62 years old, you can go for another 28 years. That makes it 90 years old, withdrawing $8,000 a month at 5% interest right here, guys. If you're getting 5% interest on your $2 million, you can withdraw $8,000 a month, still have positive amount of money at 90. You'll still have 2.2 million. If you have 2 million at retirement age, 5% interest, let's take it up to 9,000. See what 9,000 does to us, guys. Calculate it out. You have 1.5 million. That $1,000 a month over that course of time took $700,000 from you. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. But you're living a great life. 9,000 a month. It's over $100,000 a year, and then you'll get your social security, whatever that's going to be, if you're capable of saving up $2 million by retirement age and you're getting 5% interest. Let's see if you're only getting 4% interest. What's 4% interest do to us? Oh, it takes a lot of money out. Now we only have $558,000 left to give to our children and grandchildren. Wow, whoa, whoa. Okay, so how do we get, if we have a normal life, how do we get to $2 million? Right, so let's say we start at the age of 22 years old, just out of college. We're going to retire at 62. That puts us at 40 years. Right, 40 years, but we want to deposit, not withdraw. Go to deposit. We start at $1,000. Want to deposit $1,000 a month for 40 years. How far out does that take? That puts us at 1.1 million. That's at 4% interest, but we know we're going to gain. We're probably going to be at 8 to 10% interest. $3.5 million at $1,000 a month. So, but we only need 2 million. Let's see how much from 22 years old to 62 years old, 40 years, if we only do, let's say, $800 a month, 2.8 million. Let's do $700 a month. 700 a month for 40 years, 8%, 2.4 million. $600 a month. If you put 1 million, that's pretty good. If you put $600 per month from the age of 22 years old to the age of 62 years old, you have $2.1 million. Then you can withdraw, like we said, the $9,000 a month. 9,000. So, and you could put all this into a Roth IRA and withdraw it tax free, because $600 a month is only 6 times that's $7,200. I think that's slightly above Roth IRA. I think 550 a month. Roth is like $6,500 now. So let's say $550 a month into your Roth. Pull it out tax free at retirement. 1,944,000. That's where it's at right there. So you can put all that money into a Roth, starting at age 22. Pull it all out at 62, tax free. You can pull out $9,000 a month, tax free at 62 years old. Why on earth would nobody do that? So 1 million, let's take 1 million. Let's not do that. 1,944,000 for 327 to withdraw the 9,000 a month. Withdraw 9,000 a month. Well, we're not going to get 8% once we retire. We're going to do a little bit more conservative with our money. Yeah, you still have $500,000 left over, even after 40 years. But if you're 62 and you're only going to get another 30 years out of it, it takes you 92, which is pretty. Uh, what on earth are you going to spend $9,000 a month on when you're 80? No one knows. Nobody knows. You'd have a lot of money still. Well, guys, that's real simple math. How are you going to do it? I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, but I appreciate you stopping by the channel, checking me out. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all take care. Real simple money. Just put your money in a Roth IRA. Invest it smartly. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.